What's up, everybody? Welcome to the Mike Dolce Show. Today, I want to share with you my top recipes for fat loss. And I'm going to make this video super quick because you're busy, I'm busy, and hey, we just want to start losing fat. Now, before I get into the video, I actually built a free downloadable resource for you. I'm going to give you information right now, but might as well just download the darn PDF so you can follow the exact meal plans and recipes that I eat myself. But just listen to the end of do me the favor, listen to the end of the video, learn some great information, some easy takeaways, and help me with the algorithm. Give a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, definitely leave a comment below. If you've tried these recipes, I want to hear it. If you have any questions about these recipes, I want to hear it. Now, what I found, you like me, you probably have a specific preference. You like to eat certain foods at certain times during the day, and we've done the research. We found the average person eats the same two breakfasts, the same two lunches, and one of the same three dinners every day. Every single day, you basically eat the same darn thing anyway, right? Therefore, you might as well find recipes that you love that are super delicious but will get you to your fat loss goal. Now, as you're going to see in my free recipe download, the recipes, they don't have to be bland, they don't have to be boring, and you definitely do not need to be starving yourself. You need to be eating a lot of food. One of the biggest criticisms of our 3 weeks to shredded program, how to lose 21 pounds in 21 days, I'll drop a link below this video also if you care about that. One of the biggest criticisms of that is, Dolce, there is so much food on this program. Do I have to eat all this food? I don't think I can eat all this food. I've never eaten all this food before and lost weight. The number two criticism, I have to buy all new wardrobe. I've lost so much weight, I have to buy brand new clothes. Well, why is that? Because the food we eat is going to facilitate, fuel, and build the muscle tissue we have. The food we eat will give us the energy so we can go out there and train vigorously. That training is going to build our physiques, build our body. It's going to sculpt and shape and tone us. It's going to increase our energy. It also enhances our metabolism. The higher our metabolism, the more fat our body will release, because you don't need to store excessive body fat if you're eating the right amount of foods from the right ingredients at the right times of the day. And that is what we specialize here. We specialize in teaching you the exact foods you should be eating in the exact proportions and at the exact times per day. And that's exactly what we do here. And that's what this free downloadable resource is. And that's what I teach to all my clients, whether it's through community conversations like this or it's my private one-on-one VIP clients. This is what we teach. We are an education-based system. We do not believe in the synthetics. We don't believe in processed foods. We don't believe in the hyper palatable. We don't think that you should just simply count your macros, eat cookies and ice cream as long as they fit a certain protein, carbohydrate, fat ratio. That makes no sense to us, and it doesn't work long term. What does work long term is eating the right foods at the right times in the right proportions in a manner that you absolutely enjoy, but will get you to your overall goals. That's what we do here. So I'm going to stop the video right now. How about, I mean, you want to talk about quick and easy? Now, wait, before we go, let me say this, and I said this in my most recent video, how a 47-year-old man, or secrets to a 47-year-old man's fat loss. I'm at 6% body fat right now. I am absolutely shredded. I'm the oldest I've ever been, and I'm about the leanest I've ever been outside of my competitive wrestling career. Well, how did I do that? I explained that in my other video. I will put that video right here or right here for you so you can watch that video. And the quick answer is consistency. I eat the same foods at the same times that I absolutely love, that are aligned with my goals. So watch that video and leave some notes below. Download that free resource. I made it for you. Download the resource, try the recipes, and let me know how it goes. Until next time. Boom.